Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Okay, in the downtown district of Rock Island, it's Gumbo Ya, and Pappy gets a photo shoot with the owner of the Daiquiri Factory. And let's take a quick look inside. Up here on the ceiling, there's a Joker, and there is music all over. Even in the Daiquiri Factory, there's music going. So let's step outside.
How we doing?
Good, pretty good, man.
Looking good today, chap.
Huh?
Looking good today, old chap.
Thank you very much.
You don't mind me filming you, do you?
Hey,
Cool.
it's a little late now, ain't it?
And here we get to see the casino girls. It's always nice to see the casino girls out at Gumbo Ya. Hickey Brothers Cigar Store and Hookah Lounge. I'm going to practice my zooming on my camera now. Do a little pan here, and I'll try zooming again. Seems to work pretty good.
Little Hendrix going on.
Everywhere you look, there's something nice to see. And here's Jake and Elwood, the Blues Brothers. And I really enjoyed this band. They were kind of a Mardi Gras band, and they dressed up really nice and had some great hats. So let's check them out. A good time was had by all at Gumbo Ya. Thanks for watching.